collapse in the world. Today is the eve of October 1st, the anniversary of the founding of the People's Republic of China, and the Empire State Building has chosen to honor the founding of the PRC by turning the lights red and yellow tonight. And it's an outrage, and that's why we're here. And basically, the founding of the People's Republic of China, as we know, is not something to be celebrated. The Chinese government does not deserve to be honored for the over 1 million Tibetans that have died since they took over Tibet, been killed by the system, by the Chinese government, the tens of millions of Chinese who actually died, as a direct result of the Chinese Communist Party's policies in China. The PRC is a repressive, totalitarian state. And the fact that the Empire State Building has chosen to honor them is a shame on all of us. But ultimately, the Chinese government probably bought these lights tonight. The Chinese government is totally and completely insecure. Despite having, the economic and political power and might that they have, they're insecure because they know they're not legitimate. And they know that internationally, people actually reject and don't support their system and their government and their legitimacy in China for the most part. And so they do this kind of thing. They probably came to the Empire State Building and said, hey, you do this for us, and here's what we'll give you. And I don't know what kind of untold commercial interests lie in this for the Empire State Building. But the fact remains, it's a shame, it's an abomination, and people have to speak out, and that's why we're here. And we hope to do some more actions